Hey everybody, welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope everybody's doing good today. I'm doing great, and you know why I'm here. I'm back to bring you guys more work from home job opportunities, okay? So we have several jobs in this video. I'm not going to waste your time. We're going to go ahead and get straight into it. And if you're interested in any of the jobs shown, they will be in the description bar in the order shown in the video. So let's go ahead and get into these jobs. Okay, everybody, so you already know the deal. It's Monday, so I have all part-time jobs for you in this video. So let's start off with a part-time job coming from the company Globo. They're looking for a customer service associate to work part-time, and I really love this job because they do have two shift options available. They have a day shift from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and they also have an evening shift from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. and so you'll have one shift on a weekend day also, okay? So with this job right here, you're going to facilitate intake calls, providing customer service and support to callers. You'll achieve satisfactory call quality, both behavioral and technical as measured through call quality reviews. You'll provide exceptional client service experiences and log and track both calls and requests while servicing clients by typing notes into their proprietary system. You will address opportunities to maintain and improve business relationships with clients. You will need a high school diploma, strong customer service skills and positive attitude, experience with call center software and scheduling tools, also comfortable in a dynamic, fast-paced, and multi-line call center environment, demonstrated proficiency with Microsoft Office Word and PowerPoint, and superior knowledge of Excel. Also experience with Google Docs and Apple Mac operating systems is preferred. So you will need to be able to work independently, be fluent in English, also be able to manage multiple initiatives and projects and prioritize needs. And so definitely a great opportunity. I'm not aware of the pay at this time, but if I do find it during editing, I will list it on the screen right now. So let's move on to our next job, and this one is coming from Southwire, and they tend to have part-time jobs pretty frequently, but right now they're looking for a clerk to work part-time. And so with this job, you'll make between $16 and $18 an hour. And so basically, you're going to be assisting the Southwire company business units and other staff as assigned in the daily management and operations of offices. And of course, this role is completely remote. So you're going to utilize educational background, organizational skills, and communication skills in providing financial support and spending analysis for engineering and modernization. You'll communicate verbally and in writing to various levels of internal and external personnel as deemed appropriate with a high degree of professionalism. You're going to submit order requests for the modernization team in Baseware and provide support for variance analysis and account reconciliations. You'll work with Smartsheet and internal business intelligence teams on MOC connector and data transfer and support the modernization team with document control. You'll also assist in preparing monthly reports for modernization. So you will need a high school diploma, working to obtain or study towards a bachelor's or master's degree in business, accounting, finance, information systems, or related field. You need to be able to work at least 25 hours a week and be able to multitask and be highly organized. And you must have working knowledge of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. So the next job is coming from the company Hiring. They're looking for a bookkeeping specialist to work part-time. So with this company, you can only be in specific states to work with them. So you will need to be in the states on the screen. If you're not in those states, you will not be able to apply for this job. And so with this job right here, you're going to support client bookkeeping functions, including yet not limited to accounts receivable, accounts payable, bank reconciliations, payroll, journal entries, and reporting. And so you need deep experience in full charge bookkeeping with multiple clients and solid knowledge of basic accounting principles. And you also need to be able to create and interpret financial reports such as balance sheets, profit and loss, and cash flows, among others. A detailed understanding of accounting and bookkeeping, and you must understand the differences between cash and accrual accounting. You need to be tech savvy and comfortable using and learning the newest accounting and office technologies and experience working in a multiple client environment. You also need to be organized because you will be handling a large variety of projects, and make sure nothing slips between the cracks. And you need to ensure that deadlines for accounting month end are met and all needed reports are prepared in a timely manner. You're going to assist in the compilation of client information for tax preparation as requested and agreed by hiring. And so this is not usually included in their work beyond requesting W-9s, preparing 1099s, and providing reports. And you're going to assist in organizing, systematizing, and documenting processes and procedures. You do need to be comfortable researching to determine answers to questions or the best way to perform work on client systems. So they want you to have 10 plus years of bookkeeping experience using bookkeeping software. So QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks, Sage, NetSuite, Wave, Intacct, and Procore. You also need to be proficient in Google Workspace, so Slack and Asana, and have a 2-year accounting degree. That's a preference. They also would like it if you had credentials or certifications such as QB Pro certification or QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor, and a high degree of customer service, attention to detail, and the ability to multitask, strong written and verbal communication skills, active listening skills, and also you will need to have a direct connection from your computer to your modem via Ethernet cable, and you do need to have the strong and consistent internet bandwidth that's listed there. So next up, let's talk about this job as a part-time customer support specialist with the company Informed K-12. Now for this job right here, you must be located on the West Coast. And with this job right here, you're going to be serving as the first line of support for all inbound requests from administrative staff, teachers, and parents across their partner districts, responding both quickly to requests and with a high level of quality solutions. You'll be troubleshooting product and process related issues and drive them to resolution, escalating issues to other team members or the engineering team when needed. You're going to support customers in configuring their processes on product and contribute to data collection on product questions and issues through ticket categorization, customer outreach, issues tracking, and providing feedback in cross-team meetings. You're going to provide feedback on support processes using both a deep understanding of district needs and quantitative data to strengthen cross-team alignment and their knowledge of customer health. And so they want you to be a critical thinker, be flexible, and be detail-oriented, and have at least 1 year of experience in technical customer support or with K through 12 school districts in a technical role, be able to troubleshoot software specific problems, and also manage time effectively. Experience with Zendesk is preferred. Experience with early stage startups is preferred as well, and you will get paid between $30 and $32 an hour. This is based on experience, and you're going to work Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. and that's Pacific Standard Time. When you attach your resume and cover letter, make sure you also reference this prompt right here. So the next job is coming from the company HHS, and they're looking for a part-time accounts receivable specialist. And so with this job right here, this company is based in Texas. I didn't see anything in the job description stating that you had to be in Texas to work with this company. However, I do not know what disclosures they may have on their application, okay? So with this job, you are going to make $25 an hour, and so you will be establishing procedures and assisting with the collection of data from the field as it relates to billing and revenue. You'll translate complex and varied contract terms into customer billing and assist with variable billing and track billing status. You're going to maintain databases of HHS customer information, prepare customer statements, and reconcile to the general ledger of AR aging. You'll prepare monthly receivable statements and ensure payments are posted and applied properly, and perform customer service to both internal and external customers. And you're going to also support various audits with third-party vendors, so financial statement audit, state sales tax audit, and participate in month-end close processes, including but not limited to accruals and other entries. You'll complete special projects as assigned. And you're going to develop, monitor, and report department performance improvement indicators and initiate process improvement as needed. And so with this job right here, they want you to have 2 to 3 years of accounts receivable experience that's required, basic understanding of revenue recognition rules, exceptional customer service skills, including verbal and written communication skills, experience using Excel software, and robust mathematical skills, be able to work effectively under pressure, and have a strong understanding of corporate accounting policies and procedures, and proficient knowledge of generally accepted accounting principles. Experience with Workday is preferred. So the next job is coming from Situs AMS, and they're looking for an administrative assistant specialist 2. And so with this job right here, you're going to manage department calendars, schedule meetings, and coordinate travel arrangements. You'll prepare and edit correspondence, reports, expenses, and presentations timely. You'll handle confidential information with discretion and professionalism, and you'll effectively communicate with WFCS business leader and organize and maintain files, records, and documentation, and assist with project management and event planning. You'll support the internal team members and work with external stakeholders. And with this job, we'll need a bachelor's degree in business administration or a related field that's preferred, or an equivalent combination of education and experience. Intermediate level support staff with 2 to 4 years of relevant experience. Also, previous experience as administrative assistant or similar role is preferred. Proficiency in Microsoft Office Suite, SAP Concur, Workday, and other office software, and strong organizational and multitasking abilities. Also, a high level of attention to detail and be able to work independently and have excellent written and verbal communication skills. This job has an amazing pay of $60 to $65 per hour, so definitely a great opportunity there. So let's move on to the next job. Okay, so last but not least, we have a job with Telus Digital. I featured them on the channel thousands of times. They always have part-time work from home job opportunities, and no experience is required for these jobs, and these jobs are real. My daughter works for Telus. She gets a little check every month. So, you can get on with them. Of course, there are some people that said that they had a hard time getting on with them, but my daughter was able to get on with them fairly quickly. Okay, so they're hiring an English online task contributor. And so with this job right here, you only need to be proficient in written and verbal English, reside in the U.S. for the past 3 consecutive years, and own and have regular use of a smartphone and a desktop laptop with internet connection at your expense, Gmail as your primary account. You also need to be familiar with current and historical local business, media, sports, news, social media, and cultural affairs. And so you will need experience navigating web browsers and smartphones for content interaction, and be willing to download apps and understand various social media environments, including memes, virality, and trends. So with this job, you're going to assess online search results to enhance their quality. You'll analyze and rate content relevance to search terms while also reviewing language for grammar, tone, and cultural appropriateness. Your contribution improves a major search engine's quality by evaluating web content using your PC and smartphone. And so they're looking for individuals who are passionate about social media and regular users of Gmail. So this job only pays $11.50 per hour, so that's not much at all. But again, this can be a job for a teenager, someone that's, finishing up high school, fresh out of high school, and just needs to make some pocket money, or you could use it for yourself to do the same. So definitely check out this opportunity with Telus and check out some of their other opportunities as well. Okay, everybody, so those are all the jobs that I have for you. Like I said before, check that description bar for the links. And if you have any questions or any comments, make sure to leave those below. You guys know that I appreciate you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Good luck to everyone who applies for the jobs.